Hello, this is Craig Resnick coming to you from the 2019 ARC Advisory Group Orlando Forum. With me today is my special guest, Mike Chen, Director, Corporate Engineering, Omron Automation, Americas. How you doing today, Mike?
Good. How are yourself?
Great. Glad to have you. You know, we all been hearing a lot about the forum of intelligence at the edge. We know what a hot topic it is. What edge devices does Omron offer, and other edge type of solutions does your company offer, and what other products and solutions do come up that allow your customers to operate at the edge?
So Omron has been around for 50 years in the industrial automation space specifically, and we've always specialized in products and services that deal with products that are inside the machine itself. So when we say edge in Omron, it really means on board the machine. And our latest development in AI is actually implementing machine learning algorithms inside the machine itself, without the necessity of an IT infrastructure or some cloud computing capabilities. And this is really where we think the next generation of edge level intelligence will bring us in the industry.
You know, what's important of what you said is that one of the things that maybe you can leverage some of your edge solutions to is to help alleviate unscheduled downtime, unplanned downtime, which is the biggest nemesis amongst all manufacturers. So what are some of the other types of products and solutions that Omron offers that enables you to help your customers minimize or eliminate unplanned or unscheduled downtime?
Yeah, so the downtime question is always there with end user customers. And with our latest innovations in the machine learning algorithms on the edge, that is specifically targeted towards eliminating that downtime by learning the mechanical wear and tear of an individual machine, and then giving the expert maintenance staff and giving the expert on-site engineering the ability to do something about it within a very, very fast amount of time. When I say fast, I mean sub 10 milliseconds. Sub 10 milliseconds amount of time to react to a machine doing something different in order to prevent product laying all over the floor because the production has stopped or been hit a snag.
Mm-hmm. You know, when we talk about some of the leading edge technologies, certainly artificial intelligence and machine learning is something you hear, throughout the forum and throughout the industry. How is Omron bringing artificial intelligence and machine learning solutions, to be embedded within your own products and solutions you offer your customers?
Yeah, the AI scope is very broad. It means different things to different people. We at Omron have debuted just a portion of AI in our product of anomaly detection. So anomaly detection does not require the vast amounts of data storage that, let's say, some implementations in the cloud requires for deep learning or neural nets. But what we can do for manufacturers in the Americas market now is be able to just, with a couple thousand data points, be able to collect, analyze, and utilize that data inside the cycle time of a standard machine controller. And that level of machine learning and AI, even though it's not this huge scale that people think of, is still extremely important for exactly what you're saying with about eliminating downtime and preventing equipment damage and guaranteeing quality of product.
You know, we keep hearing a lot about disruptive technologies. Go around through the showcase area of the forum, and a lot of people are talking about new technologies that are causing disruption. So what disruptive technologies do you see having the greatest effects on your customers, and how do you see Omron responding to those disruptive technologies?
Well, we've been following trends of industrial automation customers for a while. That goes into our recent acquisitions of technologies in robotics and advanced motion and code reading type of capabilities and vision-guided robotics. So the disruptive technology that we think is going to really make it in 2019 is collaborative robots. So collaborative robots being a sector where it really empowers the workers to optimize their own workspace as well as their work output, their productivity, by giving them easy ways to program a long-reach, high-payload robot, which in the Omron case has integrated vision. That integrated vision allows for a lot easier calibration and really some usability increases to operators and real workers.
When obviously as your customers go to pay for these solutions, one of the things that we've seen is, people that are, doing the traditional CapEx method. We're also seeing people move over to more of a performance-based methods, operational expenses, where they might pay for the solution on a monthly basis or a subscription basis. Do you see your customers shifting, let's say, as far as whether they want to be purchasing your solutions on the traditional CapEx side, or are they moving more towards looking at it from financing on an OpEx side, or maybe even going to a subscription, or hardware as a service, software as a service? What do you see?
We've seen some customers go more, or trying to push towards an OpEx side for a speed to market type of scenario. At Omron, we do offer both types of financing. Most of our customers still opt for a traditional CapEx expenditure and with the budgeting process and everything. But for certain types of technologies, especially when it comes to services, right? Services and ongoing support. We do offer financing, long-term financing, lease options for some of our a robot type of assets that could be implemented in facilities. But on the whole, I think that it depends on the technology. With our particular technology being mostly on edge and non-connected, or not required to be connected, the CapEx still reigns king in our customers.
Okay. And as a last question, as you're looking at your 2019 forecast, what kind of global, say, tailwinds do you see that you should probably help your business? And conversely, are you seeing any global headwinds that you might need to take note of as you take your business forward in 2019?
Right. Well, especially for the Americas market, I think that right now the tailwinds that we see is that the economy is still good, the interest rates are still low, and the food and commodities market is still projected to be pretty strong over the next year. Also, at Omron, we sell 150,000 different part numbers. So the idea of pull-through businesses, as we gain business at certain customers, we earn their trust, and we use that as the tailwind to leverage to get more products in the hands of customers that see the benefit. On the converse side of that, the headwinds, there's global political instability that we, of course, are seeing the effect of with global customers, and the tariff situation for customers and ourselves that import and export, from manufacturing that we do right here to ship it overseas, and overseas production that comes back.
Yeah, we're seeing exactly the same thing. So I'm glad we're all in sync. Good luck with 2019. Thank you very much, Mike, for being here today.
Appreciate it. Appreciate the time.
Thank you. This is Craig Resnick coming to you from the 2019 ARC Orlando Forum. Thank you very much. Have a great day.